Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Dynasty Warriors Origins game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and just log into your account using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now just type in Dynasty Warriors Origins to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews as well. Scroll down and then you will find the Add to Cart button. You can click on this button and you also have the option to download and play the demo before purchasing the full game. Now once you click on View My Cart, you can continue towards the payment. After selecting your payment method from the drop-down menu, you can click on Continue. And now all that's left to do is provide your credentials for your chosen payment method. Once your transaction is completed, the game will then be added to your library, and then you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. Once the download and installation is complete, you can start enjoying the Dynasty Warriors Origins game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.